This is Remote Learning Initiative by Seth Vidya Mandir English High School, Vasai East. I am Rita Palo, your maths teacher. Let us continue with the chapter Basic Geometrical Concept. Let us do the get set go of this lesson now. Which of the following statements are true? A line segment has no length. A line segment does not have a length. It's false because without length we cannot make a line segment. Every ray has a definite length. No, ray cannot have a definite length because it is extended from one side. So it is also false. A ray AB is the same as ray BA. No. Why? Because one side there is a point and one side there is a arrow. So we cannot say it is a same. A line segment has one end point only. No, it has two end points. It does not have one end point. So it is also false. A ray has two end points. No, it has one end point and from one side it can be extended. So this is also false. Now next, count the number of line segments drawn in each of the following figure and name them. First of all, you have to count how many line segments are there. How many are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this full also is 1. So 6. To write here 6, and then you have to write the name. What are the name? AB, BD, DC, BC, AC, AD. All 6 became 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it in the textbook only. Next one. How many line segment? Are there? 1, 2, 3 of this triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here also it is 6. Here also it is 6. Then write the name. DF, then FB, then DB, then next EC, EA, and AC. Next, here how many line segments are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Because here it is divided into intersection point is there. So that also will be considered. So there are 10. What are they? First is DC, CB, BA, AD. Then inside one. AO, OB, OC, OD. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. BD and CA. Okay. First write the side ones, then middle part. Total 10 should be there. Next. How many angles are formed in a figure given below? Angles means this, corners, vertexes. How many angles are there here? Here only 3 are there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because it has been divided into 2 parts, 6 are being formed. 7, 8. Total 8 are being formed. Okay. Individual we have to count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it is divided into 2 parts. So that also. 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 are being formed. Now the fourth one. Write the names of the following angle in as many ways you can. An angle can be written only in two ways. Okay. First of all, we will start from here. The angle which is having name, the word which is in the vertex, should always come in middle. Okay. So angle, this is the sign of angle. Okay. Angle M, L, M, N. Or we can write as N, M, L. Start from here L, M, N, or start from here N, M, L. Same way this K, L, M, or M, L, K. The arms where it is meeting, this ray is meeting here, this ray is meeting here. So this point should be always in middle. Next one, L, N, M, or M, N, L, because N is in middle.